Microsoft just dropped something at Build 2026 that has developers everywhere stopping dead in their tracks. Imagine this, you're no longer just writing code. You open one single app, tell it what you want, and dozens of AI agents start working in parallel, fixing bugs, writing features, reviewing code, and even deploying entire applications while you grab a coffee. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. Microsoft just took GitHub, the platform every developer lives in, and basically replaced it with something far more powerful. And the developer community is shocked at just how fast this future arrived. For years, GitHub has been the central nervous system of software development. Pull requests, issues, repositories, that's where the magic happened. But in 2026, something fundamental has shifted. The age of agents is here, and Microsoft isn't just adding AI features anymore. They're rebuilding the entire developer experience around autonomous, long-running AI teammates that actually get work done. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what Microsoft announced, why it's a massive leap forward, and what this really means for every developer watching right now. Let's start at the beginning. For the last couple of years, we've all been playing with GitHub Copilot autocomplete on steroids that helped us write code faster. It was impressive, but it still felt like a helpful assistant. You still had to manage everything. You still had to run the show. That era just ended. At Build 2026, Microsoft unveiled the new GitHub Copilot app, and it's not just another coding tool. It's a complete command center for agentic development. You open the app, start a session, and suddenly you have multiple AI agents working simultaneously on different parts of your project. One agent can be refactoring legacy code, another fixing security issues, while a third prepares a pull request. And they're not stepping on each other because the app uses isolated Git work trees. This is parallel development at a level we've never seen before. But here's where it gets really interesting. Microsoft didn't stop at just better code completion. They introduced something called Rayfin, an agent-first SDK that connects these AI agents directly to your backend services, databases, and enterprise systems. Now, your agents aren't just writing front-end code. They can actually understand your entire application stack and make meaningful changes across the board. Think about the old problem every developer knows too well. You have an idea, but turning that idea into production-ready code takes forever. You're switching between 10 different tools, dealing with merge conflicts, managing infrastructure, and praying the CI/CD pipeline doesn't break. That friction is exactly what Microsoft is trying to destroy. The new Copilot app changes the game completely. You can now spin up dedicated sessions for every single issue or feature. The agents work independently, and when they're done, the app can even babysit the pull request through code review and merging. One developer in the demo casually started fixing 83 release blockers at once. 83. At the same time, that's not assistance anymore. That's an entirely new way of building software. But to really understand why developers are reacting so strongly to this announcement, we need to look at how software development works today. Normally, even a simple feature can take days of work. Developers have to analyze requirements, inspect the code base, write code, run tests, fix bugs, review security issues, and manage deployments. It's a process filled with constant context switching and complexity. Now imagine AI agents handling many of those tasks at the same time. One agent investigates the code base, another writes code, a third runs tests, while others review security and performance. Instead of doing everything manually, the developer becomes the person guiding and supervising the process. That's why many people are comparing this moment to the rise of cloud computing. Just as the cloud removed much of the infrastructure burden, Microsoft believes agentic development could remove much of the development burden. The timing is important because competition is heating up fast. Tools like Cursor, Claude Code, and Windsurf have already shown how powerful AI coding assistants can be, but Microsoft's vision goes a step further. They want AI agents that can take ownership of entire workflows, not just help with individual tasks. The impact could be huge. Startups may be able to build products faster with smaller teams, while enterprises could finally tackle massive legacy code bases that have slowed innovation for years. Of course, this doesn't mean developers disappear. If anything, their role evolves. Instead of writing every line of code, they'll spend more time setting goals, reviewing results, and directing intelligent systems. And that's what makes Build 2026 feel different. This wasn't just another AI announcement. It was Microsoft's vision for how software development could work in the decade ahead, a future where developers and AI agents work together as a single team. And then there's the Canvas feature. This might be one of the most mind-blowing parts. Instead of just chatting with AI, your agent can now build custom visual interfaces right inside the app to communicate with you. Need to review pull requests? The agent creates a visual dashboard with thumbs up and thumbs down. It's turning AI from a text-based helper into something that can actually show you what it's thinking. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. This isn't just about making developers faster. This is Microsoft's serious play to own the entire agent runtime for software development. They're integrating this deeply with their new Foundry platform, which acts as the backend for these long-running agents. Your agents get persistent memory, proper sandboxing, enterprise security, and the ability to run 24/7 without you babysitting them. Here's something that really stood out. Satya Nadella and the team kept emphasizing unmetered intelligence, the idea that developers should have unlimited local and cloud compute working together seamlessly. With the new Surface hardware and these agent tools, you can run massive local models while still tapping into Azure's power when needed. The line between your laptop and the cloud is blurring fast. But of course, with great power comes new questions. Is this the beginning of the end for traditional software engineering roles? Or does it just elevate developers to a higher level, where they become orchestrators of AI teams instead of individual coders? A lot of senior engineers I've spoken with are feeling both excited and slightly nervous. The tools are becoming so capable that the skill of managing agents might soon become more valuable than writing every line of code yourself. What's really wild is how quickly this is all moving. Just last year, we were amazed by basic Copilot features. Now we're watching agents autonomously handle complex multi-step workflows, connect to real enterprise systems, and continuously improve themselves through frontier tuning. Microsoft is essentially giving every developer their own private AI engineering team. The real-world impact of this is going to be massive. Startups that used to need large engineering teams might now move much faster with fewer people. Enterprise companies that struggle with legacy code maintenance could finally start catching up. And individual developers? They're about to get superpowers they've only dreamed about. Yet there's also a deeper shift happening. By building this entire ecosystem from the new Windows AI PCs all the way to the cloud agent runtime, Microsoft is trying to create the operating system for the agent era. GitHub was the foundation, but the new Copilot app, combined with Rayfin and Foundry, feels like the actual replacement. A more intelligent, more autonomous, more integrated development environment. So where does this leave us? Are we witnessing the biggest transformation in software development since the cloud itself? Probably. The developers who learn to master these agent workflows early are going to have an enormous advantage in the coming years. The future isn't about replacing developers. It's about giving them the ability to build at a scale and speed that was previously impossible. Microsoft just raised the bar dramatically, and every other company in tech is going to have to respond. What do you think? Is this the future you're excited about? Or are you worried about how fast everything is changing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you want more deep dives into what's really happening in AI and developer tools, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We've got a lot more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.